Hey everyone, Colin here, and wanted to give you this cryptocurrency update. So, taking a look at Bitcoin. If you'd watched the last video, we talked about this resistance area that Bitcoin is now facing. And as you can see, this is now the third time we're getting rejected from here, right? We came up initially right here. Pull it over. All right, we came up initially here, got rejected. We came up again, got rejected. This is the third candle now trying to break and stay in this area. Okay, so it's kind of an uphill battle. If we can't break through this area here, then I would expect us to get a rejection, maybe down to maybe the $48,000 area, somewhere down there. At least back down to the $53,000 area, which we've already come down to briefly. But the bulls, you're seeing a lot of buying pressure here, right? They bought that right back up. Same thing here. We came down here. They bought it up pretty quickly. So, so we'll just see what Bitcoin's going to do. If we get above this box and can confirm some support, then the last hurdle is the all-time high at 64,000. All right, so let's see if the bulls are ready to really show up here. All right, this is the last thing standing in our way. Now, I also wanted to show this video. I wanted to use this video to talk to you about the importance of using the Bitcoin dominance chart for, kind of getting a good indication of when you should go into altcoins versus Bitcoin, right? There are certain times when it's definitely much better to be in Bitcoin, and then there's other times when it's much better to be in altcoins. Hence, when we call altcoin season, right? The altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin significantly. So during those times, it's better to be in altcoins. And then there are definitely some other times where if you realize if you stayed in Bitcoin, you would minimize your losses compared to the losses that the altcoins actually take. So I'm going to talk to you about how you can use this reading the Bitcoin dominance chart. All right, so here is the Bitcoin dominance chart on TradingView. Please remember, if you want to create a, if you don't have it yet, create a TradingView account. You can start off with the free one. Check the link in the description of this video. But I totally recommend a pro account, obviously, because a worker is only as good as the tools that they have. So, as Bitcoin has been trending up, right? When Bitcoin dominance is moving up, then Bitcoin is crushing the alts in terms of Bitcoin versus that particular altcoin, right? Now, when Bitcoin is going up, your altcoins are going to get dragged up with it, right? Because obviously Bitcoin's value is going up as well. However, take a look at this, and I think this will say it all. Let's take a look at something here. Let's see, September. I did this several videos ago. I talked about this double bottom here on the Bitcoin dominance, and that, we were likely to see a little bounce here. The 200-day moving average is coming here, so we should get a rejection back down. If we do, that's great news for the alts. Okay, but let's take a look at what's happening around September. Let's see, it's September 25th, right? Okay, so matter of fact, let's go back to about September 10th, right? So we look at the Bitcoin dominance again. 10th of September, we bottomed out here. We again began our ascent, right? Okay, this was about 15% up in the Bitcoin dominance. But once we knew that Bitcoin dominance was going to start growing, that was a signal that the alts would weaken. Let's look at Cardano, for example. Look at this, September 10th, we're right here, right? September 10th. So, September 10th, and we'll measure it. As Bitcoin grew, look at what happened to Cardano's price, right? Dropped 32%. So, Bitcoin's price, so I want you to hear this now. if you converted to Bitcoin right here, September 10th. Let's go to the price of Bitcoin. September 10th, Bitcoin was at 44,000. All right, 44,000 to where it is right now, it's up 30%. Right? Bitcoin is up 30% since September 10th. Cardano is down 30% since September 10th. And all of that was tied to the Bitcoin dominance move. When Bitcoin started moving, Bitcoin's value increased, and a powerful alt like Cardano dropped by 30%. Okay? Let's look back here. Look at this from, what's that, April 1st. Look at this, April 1st, right? Bitcoin dominance fell off a cliff here at around 60, right? Shot down to 40, right? 60 to 40 around what? March 31st, April, right? April, Cardano USD. Let's see what happened from the beginning of April. All right, here's the beginning of April. Cardano is at $1.14. Cardano ran 114% to $2.45. When this Bitcoin dominance dropped, right, 19th of May, Cardano, look at this, 19th of May. Look where Cardano is. All right. It peaked at the 16th or so, kind of right before Bitcoin was going to start turning around. Okay. Check that out, guys. Check that out. So this video is short and sweet. It's just about paying attention to the Bitcoin dominance chart to give you a good indication of when you can be more heavily in Bitcoin versus in your altcoins. All right, so hope that this was valuable to you. If you like the content, remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a positive comment, leave some positive feedback, and share it with somebody that you feel could also benefit from this information. All right, until next time, everybody, take care. God bless.